Okay, okay, sure. So, okay, for that, okay, let me open this. Okay. Priya, for that, you just right click here in server. Okay. Otherwise, I will create quickly and then create login.
I'm unable to
Naga,
see
are
your
you sharing
screen.
screen?
Okay, okay, sorry, maybe 1 second. Let me share my screen. Oh, okay. Are you able to see my screen, guys? No? Are you able to see my screen
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, Naga.
Yes, Naga.
So I'm just creating a login this is my 2022 instance. As of now, I opened 2019. So I will give you example. Create login, login name, anything. Just L user with password 1234. Okay. Admit it. Okay. So if I try to log in here, same server, SQL authentication, L underscore user 1234. So you see this error.
Naga,
Okay.
your voice is a little bit low.
No, no. Okay. So now clear, right? So
Yes, it's clear.
okay, whenever I try to create a login and wants to log in into that instance, I see this error. Because by default, when I am trying to install the SQL Server, that time it will take Windows authentication. So we have two, right? Windows authentication and the SQL Server authentication. For that, I'm unable to log in this user. For that, you just go to here, wherever you log in that into server. By default, this Nagarjuna underscore Nagar is your admin. I think in your mission, maybe desktop or something. Okay, just right click here.
Okay.
Okay, just right click here. Here is the services. Actually, services we can do from services.msc or we can do here. You just restart it here.
Okay.
Okay. It will ask this pop-up. Just restart. Okay, service is restarted. Once, uh, once service is restarted, just go to right click. Okay, check on properties. In security. Again, I'm telling you guys. Right click. Okay, properties. Go to security. By default, see what is here. Windows authentication mode. Okay, I
Okay.
see. Just change this SQL Server authentication mode. Just click on OK.
Okay.
So it's again pop. You need to restart the services. So just restart the services. Because while I'm restarting service here, maybe if you open services.msc, you will get confused. That's why I'm giving you here.
Okay.
And now we just try to log in. And underscore user 34. It's accepting or not? Yes. Okay.
Yes. I actually, yes, actually I did this yesterday, but after closing and restarting the SQL server, also I'm getting the same error.
Yeah, because until unless services we started, and we need to enable that
Okay.
option in properties. So even if you restart your machine, it won't work because by default it's in a Windows authentication mode. Okay. Even if you create a login,
Okay.
it won't accept. That's why we need to put these two: SQL Server and Windows authentication mode. Clear, guys?
I have changed this, but I haven't restarted. I'll try restarting. Thank you.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, that's it for this. Okay, now I think everyone clear about till here, right? DML and DQL, DDL.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
So now we will talk about TCL commands. TCL commands is nothing but second. Okay. So TCL commands. TCL commands. So TCL commands nothing but transaction control language commands, guys. So the main purpose of the TCL commands are used to manage the SQL Server transaction. Okay, so if you want to make any transaction like insert, so suppose if I want to insert any data into any table, that is the one kind of transaction, update or anything, that is also one kind of transaction. So for this purpose, use the TCL commands. TCL commands, suppose if I insert and I want to, after sometimes I realized maybe I inserted some wrong data, I want to roll back data. I mean, delete is one option once you insert the data. So until unless you save the transaction, the data will be there. Okay, you can't, you can edit, you can delete that insert or whatever transaction, you can do that. So once we save, okay, once we save, we cannot, you cannot perform any transaction on that particular, what we call the particular transaction. Okay, TCL command side. TCL commands are used to manage SQL Server transactions. Yeah, tell me guys. So, what are the commands in TCL we have? Hello.
Rollback commit.
Rollback, okay, commit, and anything here. Rollback, commit, and yeah, mainly you will see this one. If you have any Oracle you are using, there is a save point, something like this. Okay, but in SQL Server we have rollback and this one. Okay, so I'll tell you. Yeah, just tell me any idea of why you use for rollback? Rollback command.
Rollback is.
If you have committed any mistakes while doing the code, if you want to roll back to the old code, we will.
Okay, okay, that is correct.
It's like undo.
Yeah, undo, one kind of thing. Okay, rollback mainly we can use to restore. Okay, restore the database to it's the last last committed state. I mean, what we committed. Suppose if you made any transaction, I just want to remove that transaction. For that, we use rollback. Yeah, commit.
Commit is like to save.
Yeah, commit is used to save any transaction permanently. Okay, we cannot remove once that's done. Okay, commit is used to save any transaction permanently. The particular session, guys, suppose if once we close the session and we can perform the delete and operations, but wherever we commit in the particular session, we can't make any changes. Okay, once we committed, once it's a commit, it's a committed only. Okay.
Okay.
And one more is okay, that is not command actually. There is one more is save transaction. This command used to save the transaction. Sure. So once we save, we can do the rollback as well, right? So just I'm saving the transaction. Suppose I'm saving a transaction 1, I'm saving a transaction 2. So is there any possibility, suppose I want to roll back till transaction 2 or transaction 3? So even I put a three kind of saved, three transactions I saved that, but somehow I realized I want to roll back two transactions. So what we'll do, using rollback you can do, right?
Yes, yes.
So without saving, if I roll back, entire thing will be removed or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So first I inserted one insert statement, second I inserted, third I inserted one more statement, but I want to saving each and every transaction as one save point. Now I saved three, so I want to remove three. For that you use this one, remove revoke. So if I want put this save transaction something, if I want roll back, what will happen? The entire three transaction will be gone or not?
Yes, it will be
Yes.
gone.
Okay. For that you will use this save transaction. Okay. So save transaction. So that
So in that three transactions, if we want to roll back only one transaction, then we have to keep committing after each line, right?
commit is not required until unless we finalize. So I three insert I already inserted. I want to commit. Once we committed, it's a committed. We cannot roll back. So
Okay.
why save transaction is maybe if we made any changes or something. So I want to roll back till that transaction level. That time we will use this one. Okay. Once commit is a commit,
Okay.
we can't make any changes. Okay.
Okay.
In the particular session I'm talking about. Okay.
Okay.
So that we can roll back the transaction to the point where we are, to the point wherever it's necessary. So just definition maybe you understood what is rollback and a commit. Commit is nothing but it's a permit save. Okay, rollback we can roll back whatever transaction until unless we save. Save transaction is used for saving the transaction until we perform rollback on that a particular transaction. Okay, now let me see. I have any tables here.
So Naga,
Yeah,
this all things we use in normal SQL or
yes,
like
yes.
PLSQL for banking and all.
Honestly,
These commands.
yeah, honestly, in real time, so while creating what your stored procedure are there, we won't use, but particularly you want to perform any transaction for the moment. Okay, for the moment, suppose if you want to save immediately for that kind of thing, you use. Okay, in real time, what you'll get, you want to make any code or something, you'll write in stored procedure, right? In stored procedure, in my real time scenario, I won't use transactions anyway because it automatically will save into database and will retrieve or delete it there. Okay. So some people use these transactions. Yeah, you're asking in banking?
Yeah, banking or
Mhm.
like PLSQL there you use or no?
I,
Or normal SQL we use.
yeah, I will tell you the difference what is SQL and T-SQL. Actually, T-SQL introduced for only the Microsoft. So the whole rights is only Microsoft. You know, declare. I think day before yesterday I used a declare command, declare statement. Do you see that? Did you see that?
Yes, yes.
So declare, store procedure, and functions. So completely introduce Microsoft. Okay, that's why they're naming as a transaction SQL. It's completely different from Oracle SQL and Oracle PLSQL. So they have PLSQL, but here they are completely introducing this one, T-SQL. The license completely for Microsoft. I will tell you what is the difference between SQL and T-SQL.
But the commands are same for both.
In T-SQL,
For Oracle PLSQL and here and
there is a little bit difference in SQL and I mean SQL Server and Oracle and MySQL. Very minor, very minor. Very minor. We will discuss
okay.
that later also. I will tell you the difference between MySQL, Oracle, and syntaxes going forward. We will discuss interview questions also there. We can see. Okay. For now, we can see this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So I don't have any table. So I'm just log into wherever I have tables. So actually, I have two instances. That's why I'm connecting to two different ones. Make sure you just create tables in your environment. Okay. Is it okay, or can I create here only? Because I have 2019 and 2012. So I just want to tell you.
Yes, Naga will create it.
Okay. No. So now I'm into 2019. Anyways, both are same. I have tables here in 19 version. That's why. Okay. I have tables.
Yeah, we can do it here itself where you have tables.
Okay. So, okay. I have some data in test 4. So, okay, I want to perform some transaction here. Just see here. So, if you want to create any transaction, there is a keyword. If you want anything, there should be like begin transaction. Okay. If you want to create any transaction, there should be syntax like begin transaction. Okay. And I want to insert into what is our table name? Copying till my okay. So because I'm in different and this one, if you see this, this is in 2022. So I'll just move it to here 2019. So so see this insert into what is the table? Sorry, control it. What is the table, guys? Text 4.
TBO.m.
Yeah, text 4. Yeah, values. And what is the value? ID 4, comma, contact 78, and salary something 70,000. And I'm just using, just see that. Okay. What I'm doing now, begin transaction, insert into some values. First, I'm not committing, just see. I'm not using any transaction as well. So the row inserted now, just check data. Select star from. See, I'm just pasting here. Values 5, anything. I can put anything. Sorry, I'm still here only. Okay. So see, 70,000 is inserted. Okay. Now I want to this insert Control X, Control V. Just make sure check that ID is a 5. Okay. 20,000. Yeah, tell me, guys, what I'm doing now. I'm just beginning the transaction. I'm inserting into some values into this table and a committing.
Yes.
It's a committed. Okay. And value also inserted. Okay. So now I'm creating again one more transaction.
Yeah, Naga, can you allow the duplicate values?
Yeah, no, because I didn't mention any constant. That's why it will allow duplicates. So that we'll talk about in constraints next part, that one. This is a sample table, that's why. It will allow duplicates because I didn't put any primary key on this side, that's why. Clear? It's a sample table, that's why I didn't mention anything, okay? Okay. I'm just inserting and I'm saving transaction. Just observe this. Save transaction as I'm putting some key, okay? And I'm inserting one more statement. Just observe, guys, okay? I'm saving transaction as a B7 B values. So what I'm doing, I'm taking three different transactions and saving, okay? As I already told you earlier, we need to save each and every transaction if you want to roll back a particular transaction or a save transaction. Okay, done. So tell me, guys, how many transactions you have now?
3.
3, right? So let me begin transaction, insert into values. I'm just hitting this. How many records insert now? 3. Okay. What?
3.
6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, 8 inserted. Okay. Now I want to roll back the transaction C because unnecessarily I inserted something. So I want to remove this insert statement because I didn't commit it, guys. So you can make any perform. You can make any you can perform any transaction till say by A. Okay. So tell me, guys, just tell me syntax for rollback. Rollback. Yeah, tell me. So I want to remove the transaction C. Yeah, tell me. Transaction name.
Rollback transaction.
Yeah, C.
C.
And I'm committing. Let's see. Just observe this. So I'm rollback in C. Okay. You see here. So I'm just rollbacking, but I didn't commit. Okay, just see. Why till 8 is there? Tell me, guys. I roll back C.
Okay.
I didn't commit it, right? So now just
Yes.
see. Can I roll back C transaction save point? That was name was not found. Okay. Rollback transaction request corresponding begin transaction. Okay, what happens? Rollback transaction report has no corresponding transaction. Okay, let me commit then. Okay, let me see here. Till 8 is there. Okay, maybe I did something. Then let me save one more. Save transaction D. 19. Again, I just want to insert. Okay, again transaction. I'm saving D. One row got affected. Select star from this one. So 9 is there. Okay, now I want to roll back till 3 and just see what will happen. Roll back 3, commit. No transition, save point, already saved. Okay, let me execute again all transactions. Okay, rollback till rollback B. Command successfully executed. See guys, it's got deleted. So if you want, tell me one more time. One second, delete from table. Where ID greater than 6. One more time I'll tell you, okay? Delete from. So now I have only 5 values. Okay, greater than equal to 6. Okay, just check now. So now 5. So now I want to execute till D. Begin transaction. Okay, the transaction successfully done. If you see that insert statement, yeah, till 9 is there, but I'm rolled back until B. Yeah, tell me what will be the output now. So I'm just checking that I'm rolled back in transaction D to B. So even I save and I'm rolled back until B and I committed. Tell me guys, what will be the output?
Okay, when we say till B, B will also be included, right?
One second. Yeah, tell me. So even I inserted, yeah, 7, yeah, no, till B it won't be, because see this transaction, suppose if I put A, now just see what will happen. Okay, I think commit transaction. I think we need to use that. So once that what we call, once the save the transaction, that time only you can use this. It seems. Again, I'm removing till here. Just closely observe. Okay, select star from. Now nothing is there. So I'm see now. Roll back. I'm just roll back until A, because which means I need to remove 9, 8, 7. Roll back transaction till A. See, 6 is there, right? Till A,
Yes.
but it won't remove that A. Okay, till A, because on top of A you don't have any transaction, right? From transaction saving from A to D. So that's why it's removed till here. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? What is that? What is the rollback? You already checked that rollback. So particularly if you want to remove until one point anywhere like C or something, if you want, we can see one more rollback transaction till C. Now tell me what will be the output now. Yeah guys, tell me. Suppose if I want remove till C, what will be the output? It will remove only 9 or 8 or only 9. I want to
It will
remove.
remove only 9.
Okay, let's see. Correct. It will remove only 9. That's it. Okay. Till how many steps you want to perform that action. That's why. So earlier, someone is asked, right? In banking transaction, they will use this or not. Okay. they will perform this action for only individual lines. Okay, for bulk insert or something, it won't be possible because they can't save each and every transaction, right? So for any testing purposes, or they want to insert the particular IDs or something, for that they will use this one, rollback transaction and commit. So once it's a commit, it's a commit. We cannot roll back once that commit is saved. Clear till here? Do you want me give any example or are you clear till here?
It's clear, Naga.
Okay. So if you want create any transaction, begin transaction should be there. Okay. If you want to save the transaction, should be saved as a save transaction and transaction name. So once it's done, if you want to roll back any till the particular transaction, just use this. Once it's done, you're okay. Then you just put in the commit. That is nice. Let me see.
Is there any limitation kind of thing? We cannot roll back particular command kind of thing.
Yeah. So once we commit, you cannot roll back. Okay, I will give you that example.
No. But is there any? Okay.
Yeah. Tell me. You can now.
Yeah, nothing. If there any limitation like
No.
If we execute this command, after that we cannot roll back.
Yeah,
no,
once
right?
we commit, until unless we commit,
Okay.
until unless commit, we can't make anything. Okay, let me
Okay.
see this. Unless desktop TCL Commands. Okay, done. Now, so we will discuss about the constraints. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, tell me guys, what is the constraints? So, what are constraints available in SQL Server? Any guesses?
Primary key,
foreign key.
Okay.
Unique key, like.
Okay. Primary key, foreign key. Yes. Okay.
Unique key or something.
Unique is there. Not null.
Not null.
Check.
Yeah,
check constraint. Okay. So 1 second. Now, why do you use constraints? If I don't use constraints, what will be the disadvantage? And if I use the constraints, what will be the advantage?
Yeah, actually, primary key will bring uniqueness to the table. To join with some other table, we use same key in a different table. Yeah, there may be the data is duplicated, and
okay,
we will identify the same key. For example,
tell me.
Yeah, customer ID in customer table is the primary key.
Okay.
They have same customer ID available in order table or something. There we will mention it as foreign key.
Correct. Okay. So we can say that the parent and child relationship, we can say. The primary key is the parent and a foreign key is the child key. So nothing but so to maintain relationships between the tables. So use primary key and foreign key. Okay. Yeah. Why unique? And I'm just asking you. It won't be anything. If you know, just try to tell me. Yeah.
I think unique key also will bring uniqueness to the table.
Correct.
But I think it will allow one null or something.
Okay. Correct.
Exactly.
Okay. So unique is nothing but you have other ID, voter ID, something is so it will be assigned to you only, not for anyone. Okay. For that you use unique. Suppose if you have primary key, unique plus not null. You can say unique constraint plus not null, nothing but primary key. Okay. I will.
But unique will allow one null value.
Yes, it will allow one null value. But in primary key, unique plus not null. There is a not null again.
Yes.
Okay, not null. We mentioned in unique, it will allow one null. So the primary key, unique plus not null. Clear? It won't be blank. Your statement is correct. In primary consists of uniqueness, not null. Okay. So constraints are used to specify any condition, or any rule. Okay. Rule for data in table. Okay. Constraints are used to specify the rule for the data in any tables. So when you define the constraint while creating, yeah, tell me, when you define this
While
constraint.
creating tables.
Clear. So once I create a table, is it possible to alter or add constraints to
Yes.
the table? Yeah,
Yes, it's possible.
it's possible. Alter the table. Okay. Okay, we have primary key, foreign key, unique, not null, and check. Okay, one by one we will discuss. So we start with unique. So tell me, a unique is nothing but different value. You can say different value. Okay, each and every column is, every data is different from the previous previous values of something. Unique values are, you can say it's identical or different values. So unique values are different values, and yeah, tell me. It allows you one null value, okay. And what about not null? Tell me, guys, in not null it will accept duplicates or not?
Yes, it will accept.
It will accept.
It will accept, but not accept null values.
Yeah, that column cannot have a null values. Okay, and primary key. Primary key is a unique identifier. Primary key is a unique identifier. It will allow unique values and yes, not null values only. Clear is the definition.
Yes.
So, and one more thing I want to add. So once primary key created, indexes also, one index automatically created. Once the primary key, I will talk about the indexes, but I'm giving you the definition itself. Once primary key created, it's automatically creates index on table. Okay, one table has only one index. Sorry, one table has only one primary key. Clear? One table has only one primary key. Okay, primary key may be one column or multiple columns.
Combination.
Yeah, combination of multiple columns. Okay. Clear, guys? Clear?
This only we tell as composite key, right?
Yeah, composite key. More than one. Yes, composite key. When this is the interview question. Suppose if I perform index or primary key on more than one column in the table, you can say it's a composite key. Correct.
What is surrogate key?
Surrogate
that
key is
also
nothing but that is also unique unique identifier. We are using primary key, right? While creating a data warehouse or something to identify column. I mean, it won't skip that 1, 2, 3, 4 something is there, right? It will come next 6, 5, 6 or something to maintain that order. Okay. By using the identity column, I will tell you that also. Maybe I missed identity. There is the keyword is like identity. Okay. So if I put identity or something, 1, comma 1. So if you want to insert data, it will start with the 1 and interval is the 1. So after 1, what will come? 2, 3, 4. So you can say it's unique or not. So surrogate is nothing but a key to maintain identity the values, unique identity values. Okay. Clear? So while talking about SSIS, you will discuss with this. It's nothing but the same identity column. There is you can say it's a primary key also because only one unique identifier. I mean unique. It's each and every ID like a unique, so we can tell that. Okay. Now foreign key. Yeah, tell me guys, what is a foreign key? Maintain relationship
between parent and child table.
Maintain relationships, or we can say other definition, prevent any actions against relationships. So suppose if I created a primary key in order table as Ramu said earlier, and customer table I have I mean I have order and customer, I have relationships. If I make changes in parent child, the same will be affected in customer. Suppose if I want delete, you can't delete primary, foreign key. I will tell you that as well. Okay. Okay. So foreign key is that. Now, just tell me that check. What is the use of check?
To check if a particular data is present.
To satisfy the condition. To satisfy the condition or whichever we defined. Okay. And tell me guys, I think I mentioned default as well. Okay. Yeah, tell me guys, default. What is the default?
No idea.
Okay. Suppose default, how can you say?
Default is if there is no value, then it will take that particular default value which you already specified.
Yeah, correct. Suppose if my data has some name is there, Nagarjuna is your name under name column. Okay. Suppose sometimes they mention to add some data in a name column. By default, I want to see as not available, NA column. Okay. If they enter some data, it's okay. If they by default it will take as a not available. Okay. So you can't modify, you can't insert anything there. By default, it will always only one value. We can't use it to create. So no.
Sometimes like we choose the country as India.
Yes. Right? India or suppose you have 3 loans and your other is other the same. Okay. Sometimes you put the default as yes, something default. Your other won't be changed, but we have 3 or 4 loans. Yeah. Yes. India also.
Okay.
Default value for where we put this condition for a columns, right? column if no value is specified.
Insert.
Yeah, correct, right? Okay. So can we discuss one by one, or so now we can discuss what we call unique or not null, whatever we call. Okay. Just creating a table. Create table. Just see table. What we can. Okay. Already we have test table, so create table. Some sales or something. Okay, sales. ID. ID is the integer. So ID is the integer, and we will start with unique, right? ID is the unique. Okay, ID int unique, and what we can have sales ID. Sales. I'm just putting only two values as of now. Sales decimal 10,2. Okay. Sales name. Any name you can put. Whether it's a bike or something, you can put it. Where care of max. Okay, what I'm trying to create now. Guys, what I'm trying to create now. Give me guess. Hello.
Sales table with
I'm
ID
creating
as
unique. Correct.
ID is integer and it will allow unique values.
Correct. Thank you for your response. So insert into sales. Okay, I mentioned one. So name is the bikes. Let's see, 1 million something. So see, yeah, bikes and helmet. 22 millions. Okay. If you see here, I'm just getting this two statement. Gets the keyword insert into sales values. Okay. See here, I'm just trying to insert unique values, and I'm querying on this table. See, data is there, and I want to insert this one ID as a duplicate. See, violation unique key constraint. See, already key automatically create, cannot insert duplicate key. See, so I want to insert null values. It's accepting or not?
Yes.
So suppose if I want to put one more null, see, because cannot insert duplicate key. So even that, even once it's taking as a null as a unique identifier. Okay, that's why it cannot insert a null value. Okay, clear?
Okay.
So
yes.
I'm keeping this script for you. You can try one by one. You can try, guys. Okay, then only you can understand what is it. Okay. So now we can create not null. So I thought the meeting is over. Sorry. Okay. It's not null. can I add here into this table? Not now. Hello.
Yes, alter.
Okay. Yeah, tell me guys, what is the syntax for not null? Alter.
Alter table.
Table. What is the table name? Sales. Okay. Yeah, tell me. Add constraint.
Add constraint.
Add constraint.
Add constraint.
Yeah, constraint name. I can put any not null, right? Not and not null. And use the constraint not null on which column, guys? ID, right? ID.
Yes, yes.
Add constraint not null. It's not taking out a table name. Add constraint. It's already unique is there, that's why it's not taking, I think. Okay, we need to create one more. Okay, remove this one, sales one. Because already one constraint is, that's why it's not taking this. Syntax is correct only. Add constraint name, null ID. Let me try to get in a keyword not null. Okay.
Please change the table name as well. Table name sales one.
Sales. Okay, sales. Okay, alter table name already saved. Sales one. Okay, I will create here only. I will see then. So I'm creating here only, and so why it's not taking not null. Okay, sales one, sales two. So I'm forcefully inserting. Just see. Sales one. So it will accept null. It will accept duplicates or not, as per the definition.
As per definition, it will not
Cannot have null values. That column cannot have only null values, but it will accept. Okay.
It will accept duplicate.
Yeah. So did I create the table? Okay, already created. I'm just inserting. See, I'm forcefully entering. Okay, first I will see this one till here. Okay, 3 records are inserted. I'm just trying to insert this null. Cannot insert null into that column. Okay, clear? So, okay, maybe it's not accepting this one. Syntax alter table name, add constraint. Okay. We must include data type. Okay, maybe we'll discuss that later. Okay, till here clear, right? What we discussed about till not null and unique. So can we discuss a primary key and foreign key tomorrow? Because I want to give you more examples for that. I need to create tables and all. Is it okay, or do you want to continue with that? Okay. Or else we can simply, we have 5 minutes left, so we simply check primary key, foreign key later, and check default. We can check now.
Do we have class tomorrow or
Monday? If it's a fine, maybe tomorrow it's okay. Monday is a fine, I think.
Yeah. Yes, and we can check in next class with more examples.
Okay. So can we check constraint now and this one default, so that we can cover. Anyways, we have 4 minutes left. So now I created unique and okay, not done. Now we create a check. I'm creating just some table. Okay, I'm just checking. I have already some tables, so I'm just creating table. Check on default also we can mention one table. First name, default. Okay. What we can put default? Something is not there, then default.
Kumar.
Default any name. Yeah.
Last name.
Something. Yeah, guys, I'm just creating 2 at a time, default and check. Just see. So table is created now. Select star from table name is a person. Okay. Okay. Now let's insert into values. Yeah, guys, tell me one. Last name is some K. First name is Naka, and age is at something 30, something like, and that's it, right? Age. The first condition I'm just inserting.
It will fail.
No. Because greater than 18, na? Age.
Oh, sorry, sir. Greater than 18.
Okay. Now you just see. I'm putting as a 12 or something. 17. It will fail now.
Yeah, it will fail now.
Insert cannot complete. Okay. And I don't want to mention this what we call. Some name is not mentioning on my 35. Cut syntax. Okay. I didn't mention anything here, so maybe null. Let's see. Null also it accepted. Identity 2. See the change. Null I accepted. Something we can put. Undo affected. Default.
It will take as space if you provide single quotes.
No. It didn't take. Default. No, ideally you should. I think even if you forget this, you should accept actually.
Don't provide single quotes and try. Okay. It will correct.
No. Default it will take first name only, right? Last name and default.
Oh.
No.
We'll do one thing, Naga.
We can
Insert into only data into ID, last name and age. Like update syntax like that, and we'll see.
Okay.
But maybe.
Yeah. Set into ID, last name, and what you call age. Okay. Let me know. Okay, values. I'm just putting this. Set into. Yeah. So I'm just trying to insert into this like this ID. So I mentioned 3 something. I will remove this entire thing. ID, last name, age, and values. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's taking. When you are not mentioning that column, it's taking. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
So I will say so. Okay. Maybe I think here. Okay, I think it's not accepting. Ideally,
Yeah,
past blanks. Blanks also we can put comma specified. It's accepting myself. I'm not sure why it's not accepting. Yeah, tell me.
nothing. It will take is as a space. Means if we are not
Yeah,
mentioning, it will take.
yeah, space. Even if you mention, but the syntax itself, it's not taking. That's why I'm talking about. Suppose if I don't mention anything, the insert statement should be taken. Okay. Anyways, okay. That's it, guys. Tomorrow, I mean Monday, we'll discuss about primary key and foreign key. So hopefully we'll start working on adventure works. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone. Happy
Thank you,
Shivratri to
Naga.
everyone. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Happy
Yeah, thank
Shivratri
you,
and
man.
happy Women's Day.
Yeah, women's to all women.
Yeah, happy Women's Day, guys.
Okay, bye. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah.